Good afternoon, good evening to everyone present here. Thank you so much for joining today's session. So welcome to the orientation session of the Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals Guided Learning with Capstone program. Thank you so much for joining our today's orientation session. So we will wait for a minute or two for all the other participants to join, and then we would start with today's session. So meanwhile, can I quickly ask for a self-introduction of you to please post it in the Q&A box. Chat option is disabled, so kindly use the Q&A box to introduce yourself. Yes, Shua, chat is disabled. You could use the Q&A box to introduce yourself. Yes, Gabriela, we will have this session recorded. Hey, Jason. Hi, Matthews. Hi, Jeff. Hi, Nilsa. Hello, Sin. Hi, Tim from Chicago. Hello, Jessica. Hi, Hugo. Hi, Tarun. Hi, Abdul. Hi, Eric. Amazing, amazing, so amazing. Hello, Victoria. So happy to see so beautiful responses from every one of you. Hi, Serge. Hi, Tifilo. Hi, Jessie. Hi, Franklin. Hello, hello, Beverly. Hello, Sergio. Hello, Veronica. Amazing. Hi, Adam. Hi, Crystal. Thank you so much for pouring in out so much. Thank you so much. So it's really so wonderful to meet all of you and to be a part of this program. It's really overwhelming to see such a beautiful and wonderful participation. Thank you so much. So once again, I welcome you all to the orientation session of the Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals Guided Learning with Capstone program. So let me just quickly introduce myself. So my name is Aishwarya Sivagami, and I'm the project manager from SkillUp Online. And I will be the host for today's session. So we have our support team members who will be answering your questions, which you could post it in the chat box. So we are really so excited to have you join us as you begin your journey into the world of AI. So artificial intelligence is transforming industries and shaping the future in ways we could only imagine a few years ago. So right from automation to decision making, AI is becoming an essential tool. And through this program, you will gain the foundational skills which are required to excel in this rapidly evolving field. So our curriculum has been carefully curated to provide you with the essential knowledge and practical skills over the next 4 weeks. So we are here to support you throughout this entire journey. So please don't hesitate to ask questions at any point, whether during the sessions or after the sessions. So our team is here to assist and guide you as you learn. So we are looking forward to an exciting learning experience together. So I would like to welcome you all the participants. So it's my privilege to welcome Vivian. So Vivian Lorido is an experienced professional specialized in digital transformation and business strategy. Vivian is a project manager from IBM SkillsBuild. She has a strong background in helping organizations leverage technology to drive growth and innovation. So Vivian is skilled in project management, consulting, and developing strategic solutions tailored to client needs. So she's passionate about empowering businesses through effective digital tools and methodologies. So I welcome Vivian. Thank you so much for joining our orientation sessions. I request you to please address the audience.
Thank you so much for the introduction. Well, hello everyone. Thank you for being here today for welcoming me to this orientation session. My name is Viviane Louredo, and I'm the Global Project Manager for Learning Delivery here at IBM. I'm also based in Brazil, São Paulo. I'm really excited to kick off this orientation session for the AI Fundamentals course with you. We believe that today we have been living in a moment where AI is not just like a buzzword anymore, but it is actually a game changer. And we can see that every day has been transforming industries, reshaping careers, and also opening up to new ways of solving problems we use daily in almost all the aspects of our life now. So what is and the best part for it, you don't need to be a data scientist to be part of this movement. And so because of that, we have also designed this course to make AI approachable and also practical for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to deepen your understanding, you are going to walk away with tools and insights when you can actually apply. So we expect you to gain into this cohort a solid grasp of core AI principles and also how they show up in the real AI world. Also hands-on experience with IBM AI technology, including our IBM Granite models, and that is our LLM. Also some tips on crafting effective prompts and also using AI to tackle challenges and more ideas for how to integrate AI into your work, no matter your role or your expertise. So we are here to help you build confidence and also more curiosity around AI. And by the end of this journey, you're not only have these skills that I just mentioned, but you're also gonna earn a digital credential so you can showcase your achievement. So I hope we can make the most of this journey. I would love to hear your thoughts as we go. So feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn as well. I'm going to drop the link in the chat. You can reach out anytime if you have questions, ideas, feedback. Also, to our team that is incredible is going to be supporting you for the whole journey. And I'm looking forward to come here again and celebrate your progress in the closing ceremony. So welcome again. And I'm excited to see what everyone here is going to accomplish. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bhubi. Thank you so much for your valuable input. So let's move with no further delay. Let's move on to today's session. So let me just quickly share my screen. I hope my screen is visible. Yes. All right. So thank you so much for your emojis, lovely emojis, right? Um, So once again, I welcome you all on behalf of IBM Skills Build and Skill Up Online to the Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals Guided Learning with Capstone program. So there is a link which is being displayed in the chat. So please click on the link and register your presence, which is marking your attendance for this orientation session on the Skills Build platform. So when you click on this link, it will take you to the Skills Build platform. So please click on as mark as completed. This will be considered that you have attended this orientation session. So there will be a post-session email, so which will have the recording of the orientation session and also the attendance link with the steps to register yourself in the platform. But my humble request is to you is that to do it right now so that you do not miss your attendance. So if you have any difficulties in marking the attendance, please put your questions in the chat in the Q&A box and our team will help you with it. Okay, so let's quickly move on to today's agenda. So program overview. So this section provides a general introduction to the program, its purpose, and the overall structure which you will be following. Next, learning path. Now this section outlines the step-by-step learning journey, which includes the modules, topics, and activities participants will be covering throughout the program. Then you have the learning schedule. So this section highlights the program timeline, showing when live sessions, assignments, and key milestones will take place. Then you have the delivery framework. So this section explains how the program content will be delivered. So through self-paced modules, live instructor-led sessions, hands-on labs, or is it a blended approach? So we will be talking more in detail about the program delivery in this delivery framework slide. And then we will be looking on to the learner journey. So this section describes the learner's experience right from the orientation and the coursework through projects, assessments, and completions. Then we will be talking about the program offering. So this section lists the key components of the program, such as the number of hours, technical sessions, self-paced modules, and Capstone project, and the kind of support provided to you. Then we have the IBM SkillsBuild platform. So this section introduces the learning platform where the participants can access the courses, labs, resources, and track your progress. Then we have the IBM discussion board forum, community discussion board forum. So again, here this is the forum. It's a space where learners can connect with each other, ask questions, and share knowledge and engage in weekly activities. And then we'll be talking about the IBM digital credentials. So this section refers to the IBM issued digital badges, where you will be earning as a proof of completing modules and gaining new skills. And then you have the IBM completion certificate. This section, we will be talking more on how you can obtain your certificate just upon finishing the program. Then we'll be talking about the career path. So this section will be highlighting more on the potential career opportunities and roles that the program prepares for participants for a lot of roles such as, data analyst, AI engineer, AI developer, etc. And then it's about the FAQs, where this section will try to provide answers to common questions regarding the course, access, attendance, etc. Then is the learner's feedback. So do you have any question onto this, or shall I move ahead? If you have any questions, please post it in the Q&A box and I'm happy to answer them. Great. I'll just go ahead. Thank you. Right. Now we are going to talk about the program overview. So this is divided into 4 parts. You have 4 sections. So in program design, you will get an LP that we have curated for you. And it also highlights the finalized courses are being included in it, and also the Capstone project, which is designed to consolidate your learning, right? I also wanted to add a few points into this. So this project is to enhance whatever you have learned during this 4 weeks and implement them to ensure that your learning is being utilized. So courses have been finalized in terms to make the learning plan, right? So we have weekly calendars and weekly schedules, which will be shared with you to support you in this 4-week journey. Okay. Now comes the learning methodology. So the section explains about how the program will be delivered. So you will be engaged in self-paced modules. You will be attending live technical classes and you will receive support through the IBM Community Board Forum. And then the lab access. The platform which we will be using is the IBM SkillsBuild platform. The tools which we will be using is the Chat GPT, and simulation will be IBM Watson. Okay, so hands-on, actually lab access you will be having to the SkillsBuild platform, as I told you. So you will be having a lot of hands-on practicals, which is inbuilt in the system. You do not have to download anything. So these are inbuilt and do not require any financial information of yours. Okay. So overall, this program seems to provide you a comprehensive introduction to AI, combining foundational knowledge with practical exercises and project work. Now, I'm going to talk more about the Capstone project. Okay. So this section emphasizes the practical project at the end of the program. So you will understand the model operations, learn prompt creation rules, and see how prompt engineering impacts AI models, identify common prompt elements, and practice code generation using natural language prompts. So if you have any questions, please post it in the Q&A box and I can help you with it. Okay, great. So let's just quickly move on. All right. Now, what is artificial intelligence? I'm so glad that you all are here. But before we dive into this, let's take a moment to see where everyone is at with AI. So there is no right or wrong answer here, just a chance for us to learn together. So I have a question for you. So you could give the answers in the Q&A box. So there is no right or wrong answer here, okay? It's just a chance for us to learn together. Now, could you tell me what excites you the most about AI? Is it learning how it works, using AI tools in daily life, or building AI projects, or understanding ethical challenges? What excites you the more? I'm waiting for your answers. Learning how it works, learning and using, learning how it works, using AI tools in my daily life. Great. Using AI tools in my daily life. Wonderful. I want to know how it works, using AI to build products. Confined research of topics, learning how it works, using AI tools and understanding ethical challenges, learning and using. Wow, amazing. I could see a lot of you answering as learning and using AI, and some wanted to use it in daily life as well. Amazing. Okay, Daniela says that what excites me most about artificial intelligence is its ability to transform raw information into meaningful insights that help people make better decisions, solve problems faster, and unlock new opportunities. So AI is particularly exciting when it empowers individual by making complex tasks more accessible, saving time and amplifying human creativity. Exactly right. So AI is the ability to transform something raw into something meaningful and also useful to us by saving a lot of time and making it more accessible and to also make the complex tasks very, very simpler. Right. Rightly said, Daniela. So nice. So very nice to see a lot of you giving wonderful answers. So it's great. Keep engaging like this. Session seems more interesting for me now. Okay. So now with no further delay, so thank you so much for sharing all the beautiful responses. Now, with this thought, let's dive deeper and talk more about AI. So, AI is no longer a futuristic idea. It's a powerful force already shaping our lives and industries today. So, right from simplifying daily tasks to transforming entire sectors, AI is everywhere. But what exactly is AI? So, simply put, it's the science of building machines that can, think, learn, and solve problems. But what makes AI remarkable? Isn't it how much data it can handle? I mean, isn't it just like how much data it can handle? Isn't it like it's like how it adapts, improves, and also becomes very smarter over time, right? So now think about, I'll just give you an example. So think about how, Netflix suggests the right movie. or how Siri and Alexa understands your questions. That's AI, right? But beyond, convenience, AI is driving real change. So in AI, in healthcare industry, if you take, AI detects diseases earlier and saves life. So virtual assistants can also help us manage daily tasks with a simple voice command. Transportation tools like Google Maps and self-driving technology, all this makes travel safer and easier as well. So e-commerce platforms recommend products tailored to our taste. So banks uses AI to spot fraud and also helps us to make smarter financial choices. So all this is AI is more than automation, right? So it is like about enhancing human potential. But with this power, we have to think carefully, how do we ensure AI is used ethically, fairly, and for good? So the answer lies in education, ethics, and innovation. So as we continue to develop AI, let's do so with transparency and a commitment to benefit everyone. So AI isn't to replace is here to replace us, right? It's here to work alongside us, to empower us, and to unlock new possibilities in the way we live, learn, and grow. So it's a tool that helps us to amplify our strengths, solve real world problems, and also reimagine the future. So let's welcome this journey of AI with open minds and open heart, not with fear, but with curiosity, responsibility, and genuine excitement for what lies ahead. We're all together in this, and the future we shape starts now, right? And with that understanding, let's move towards our learning plan. So, this is going to be in the next part of our session. We'll explore how you can start building your knowledge of AI step by step, from understanding core concepts to applying AI tools in real world scenarios. So together, we'll outline resources, set achievable milestones, and discuss ways to practice and grow skills with confidence. So now let me walk through what each course covers and how they can kickstart your journey into this fascinating world of artificial intelligence. So with no further delay, let me just move on to the learning path. So this is the learning path, okay? So Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So this module provides a basic introduction to AI, which is going to cover its definition, historical evolution, and various levels. So participants or learners, whoever, will be able to delve into the basics of machine learning, understand how it structures both structured and unstructured data, and how probabilistic whatever problem calculations are used to solve problems. So this course also explores the ideal relationship between the humans and the machine learning. Second, we have the natural language processing and computer vision. So you will be gaining insights into the NLP, which is the natural language processing, and computer vision, learning how AI processes and derives meaning from text. So you will be able to explore chatbot functionality, understanding intents, entities, and dialogues. Additionally, the module covers computer vision techniques such as image classification using convolutional neural networks, which is CNNS, and image generation using generative adversarial networks, which is GANs. Okay. Now, moving on to the machine learning and deep learning. Again, in this module, you will be getting you will be able to learn the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, offering a deep dive into supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning techniques. So you will explore various machine learning algorithms such as decision trees, linear regression, and logistic regression, alongside understanding the workings of neural networks and the ecosystem of deep learning. All right. So, and next we will be moving on with run AI models with IBM Watson Studio. So you will be learning to utilize the IBM Watson Studio for running AI models, starting from project setup to model creation and evaluation via simulated exercises. So you have a lot of simulated exercises in the platform. So you will understand the purpose and benefits of Watson Studio, import data sets, build AI models using Auto AI, and interpret model results using techniques like the confusion matrix. Next, moving on to AI ethics. Again, in this module, we'll be focusing more on the ethical considerations in AI development and deployment. So you will be exploring concepts such as fairness, bias, robustness, explainability, and transparency in AI systems. You'll also be delving into the governance and the privacy aspects, ensuring responsibility and ethical use of AI technologies. Next module you'll be talking about you'll be learning about more on your future in AI, which is a job landscape. So you'll get insights into the AI job market, identifying industries, job roles, required skills, tools, and resources for aspiring AI professionals in a rapidly evolving field. You'll also understand the global demand for AI specialists, the required skill sets for different roles, and future trends in the AI job market. Next comes a mastering the art of prompt. So this is a project, this activity-based project teaches you how to effectively interact with AI language models. So you will learn the rules of crafting prompts to generate accurate results, and you will also engage in practical exercises such as planning travel itineraries and also creating custom music playlists using AI language models like IBM Granite like Playground. Okay. So if you have any questions in this slide, please post it in the Q&A box and I'm happy to answer them. And once you finish all this, you will be guided to you will be getting this digital credential, which has been verified by Credly. Okay. Now I would like to discuss more on the learning schedule, right? So we have great, so amazing to see such beautiful responses from everyone via emojis. Thank you. So the duration of the course is 4 weeks. Okay. So let me just tell you. So we have 4 weeks here. So I will let you know in this 4 weeks, we have technical sessions every week. We have one technical session every week. So we will be meeting on July 6th. I'm sorry, the dates are mentioned wrongly here. I'm sorry, the dates are mentioned wrongly here. So don't worry. When you go to the learning plan, our team will be posting the learning plan link over the chat. So if you click on the learning plan link, you would be able to see all the dates mentioned there for every week. All right. So if you have any questions on the previous slide, please post it in the Q&A box and I'm happy to answer. Now moving on to the next slide, the delivery framework, right? So now here, the delivery framework is divided into two parts, okay? One is the IBM SkillsBuild learning and the other is the facilitated support. Now to talk about the IBM SkillsBuild learning, let me tell you that all the courses are there in the IBM SkillsBuild platform. So it is a self-paced course. You have all the content PDFs and recordings, and you have the Capstone project as well. So this content PDFs and recordings, you will be able to view it later as well, right? So even this session, orientation session is recorded, and those who joined late or will be leaving soon, or if you have missed some part of this session, you will receive a post session email where you will have the content PDF and also the recording in it, which is already uploaded in our IBM SkillsBuild platform. You could just go ahead and view it. Next comes the facilitator support. So in the facilitator support, you have live technical sessions. You have technical assistant support on IBM community discussion board forum, and you have gamified quizzes. You have weekly progress report, which is being shared with the learners. So you will have to make sure that you attend all the live technical sessions, and then you will be receiving the technical assistance support on IBM Community Discussion Board Forum. You will have your peers. You will have activities to keep you engaged. So live demonstration of the IBM Community Forum, our team will be sharing it with you right after I finish some slides. Okay. Then we have the gamified quizzes, which is again available in the forum. And you'll also be receiving an Kahoot email where you will be playing Kahoot as well. After it consists of the questions which has been uh, taken from the self-paced modules again. And we have the weekly progress report. So every week we'll be sharing a progress report with you, which has the completion status of yours. If you have any questions onto this, please post it in the Q&A box and I can help you with it. It is not required to have a coding background. We do not, it's fine even you're from a non-technical background. The learning plans our team will be sharing with you right now. Edward. Great. Now this is the learner's journey. Okay. So it all starts with a welcome email. So, and then you will get the orientation session invite. This is the orientation session which is happening. And once after this, you will be asked to join the IBM Community Discussion Board Forum. And then you will have to attend the live technical sessions with technical assistance support. You will get regular updates on weekly progress. We have multiple live Ask Me Anything sessions. These sessions are conducted for learners exclusively to help resolving your queries related to the program. Then completing the self-paced course and the Capstone project. So it's very important and very mandatory to complete all the self-paced course along with the project. So once you complete that, you will be getting the IBM certificate and the digital credentials verified by Credly from the IBM SkillsBuild platform. Once you get this, then you will be invited to the closing ceremony of the program. So closing ceremony is nothing but we will be celebrating your achievement as you finish your program. If you have any questions onto this, please post it in the Q&A box. Great. So wonderful to see beautiful emojis from everyone. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to the summary, which is the program overview. Now the total hours we need to dedicate for this program is 16.5 hours. So now the program access. So we have 4 weeks of the 4 weeks of duration for this program, wherein you have 2 weeks of training and 1 week of final project and 1 week of follow-up. You have the instructor-led sessions. You have 4 sessions, wherein three live sessions comprising of 1.5 hours, which totals to 4.5 hours. Similarly, you have a capstone project session, one session wherein it will sum up to 1.5 to 2 hours. So totally it will be 6.5 hours you will have to dedicate to this particular sessions. Now, coming on to the self-paced online training, you have 10 hours. You need to dedicate 10 hours exclusively for this self-paced online training, wherein you have the technical assistance support for IBM Community Discussion Board Forum throughout this 4-week. Then you have the learning updates every week. Then you have the knowledge check assessments, which are formative in nature. As and when you complete each module, you will be taken to the knowledge check assessments, right? Next, you have the Capstone project, which is progressive in nature. So once you finish the self-paced and the project, you will be given the completion certificate, which is the IBM completion certificate, and you will get the IBM digital credentials, which is verified by Redley. Okay. So if you have any questions onto this, please post it in the chat and I'm happy to answer them. So we do not provide any kind of job opportunities, Goshika. No, AI is not answering our questions, Charles. It is we have our support team members who are there live behind the screen answering all your questions. Is it a problem if I can't do lesson from 14 to 15 November? No, you can pick it up once you're back. What happens if you miss the live sessions for any reason? So don't worry, Stanley. You have the recordings. So you have the recordings in the platform. So you could go ahead and view it. So as and when the session gets over, the recording will be uploaded and you will be able to go ahead and take a look onto it. No problem at all. So you will enter 1 hour, Jayment, you will enter 1 hour as to mark completion. Yeah, I can help you. I can discuss more on the project Capstone completion. So the Capstone project is more related to the modules which you have completed, right? There are like 6 modules before the Capstone, as I showed you in the learning path. So you'll have to complete all the 6 modules, and based on that, you have a project. So you'll have to complete that as well. So, and then you would be awarded with certificate and digital credentials. What will be assessed in the live session? No, nothing will be assessed. You will have an instructor with you, and the instructor will be taking classes during the session, and there will be like more of exercises. There are more of practical examples which has been shown during the session. I recommend to attend the live sessions to get more insights on each topic. Summer internship opportunity, and we will let you know if there are any internship opportunities, but as of now, no. IBM do not provide any kind of placement after training completed. No. If there anything comes up, we will let you know. Yes, you can, Matthew, you can always ask us questions. Even if you have a busy skill, that's not a problem. You could always email us. So at the end of the session, at the end of the session, I will let you know. At the end of the session, I will let you know the email address, everything. So you could, email us, and also you could reach out to us at IBM Skills Build Community Board as well, and we are here to help. Great. You can do this program in iPad, but I recommend you to do it in the laptop because we have a lot of simulations and all the practicals going on. So I recommend you to do it in the laptop. Yes, these certificates will be very useful. Your future employers will consider these certificates. No worries, Mark. Yes, this time frame is feasible. All right, so let's quickly move on to the next slide. So now we have this is the IBM SkillsBuild platform. So I call upon Kushbu to please show the demo of this IBM SkillsBuild platform and also the community board as well together. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So I'll just explain that how can you navigate through the learning plan. I'll just share my screen. Give me a second. Yeah. So here is the learning plan. Our team will be sharing the learning plan link in the chat box, and you can go through it. So we are having 6 modules in our learning plan, which is introduction to artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and natural language processing. And the third module is machine learning and deep learning. Fourth one is run AI models with IBM Watson Studio. And fifth module is AI ethics. And sixth module is job future, your future in AI, the job landscape. With this 6th module, we are also having a capstone project, which is a final project named as Mastering the Art of Prompting, in which this is a final project which you have to complete after going through all the 6 modules, which will be considered as a base of the final project. And in this learning plan, so once you complete all the 6 modules, you will able to see that this section will be marked as green. It shows that you have completed all the modules. Okay. And also, if you want, this is the about learning plan section where you can find all the details about the learning plan. And here is the email ID. You can go through it. If you have any query regarding the course, regarding the learning plan or module, you can mail us at ibmskillsbuild.emia@skillup.online. And also, you can find the cohort schedule here. All the dates, starting dates, and all the live technical session dates are mentioned here. So our first technical session is on 16th of October. Our second technical session is on 23rd October. And our third technical session is on 29th of October, and our fourth technical session is on 5th of November. So we have 4 live technical session, and we'll having one live technical session per week in the duration of 4 weeks. Also, at the last, we'll be having the closing ceremony on 25th of November. Okay, so after completing all the modules, you can download your certificate. Under this action button, you can click on this, and you can click on view completion certificate. So you will be able to see the completion certificate only after completing all the 6 modules and the final project. I'll show you again. So as you can see, I have completed all my modules, and after complete, the dates is also written here that when I have completed all the modules. So after the completion, you can click on action button, and you can click on view completion certificate. So here you will be able to see the completion certificate. Okay, and also you will be getting 2 credentials. You can see, yeah. So also you will be getting 2 credentials. One will be artificial intelligence fundamentals with Capstone project, and another will be artificial intelligence fundamentals. So you will be getting total 2 credential and 1 completion certificate after completing all the modules which are in this learning plan. And to claim your micro credential, you can go to the Credly account. Our team will be sharing the link for the Credly, which is credly.com, and make sure you register in the Credly account with the same email ID which you have registered in the IBM SkillsBuild platform. I'm repeating again. So you have to register with the same email ID you are using in the IBM SkillsBuild platform. So click on continue with Google. As I'm using this email ID in the IBM SkillsBuild platform, so I'll be using this email ID only to log in into my Credly account. So here is the our first page. So as if you want, you can see your micro credential. You can go on the profile section, and here you can see all my batches, and which I was showing to you that you will be getting 2 micro credential after completing the course. One will be artificial intelligence fundamentals, and another will be artificial intelligence fundamental with Capstone. So you will be getting 2 credentials after completing the course. Also, you can share your badge in LinkedIn, or you can add these badges in your resume, and you can show them to the recruiters and to the employers as well. So again, if you're having any doubt, please put your queries in the Q&A box. Also, I'll explain you again. This is the learning plan of the course, and we are having 6 modules plus final projects. Also, if you want, if you are not able to attend all the live technical session, so you can go through the recordings. So below the learning plan, you can see we have a section of online live sessions and presentation. You can go through this, go click on this section, and you can go to activity, and you will be able to see all the recordings, all the PDFs of the live session, and all the recordings and the PDFs of the live session here. And for example, you can see this orientation session PDF in the section, in this section as well. So if you have any doubt, please put your queries in the Q&A box. Also, many of you were asking that how we can mark the attendance. So we have shared the link in the chat box. So you have to just mark it as, click on this mark complete. You have to add 1 hour and you can click on submit. This way you can mark your attendance. Let's go on to the another section, which is the community board. So here you can see we are having a community board which where you will be getting all the weekly posts. For example, on the Monday you will be having the weekly schedule, and on Tuesday we'll be posting the technical post. On Wednesday we'll be posting the relevant news related to AI, and on Thursday we'll be posting a gamified Kahoot quiz, which is very engaging, and you can participate in that quiz also. And on Friday we'll be posting and soft skill post. So all throughout the week, on all the 5 days, we'll be posting engaging activities where you can participate. And if you want, our team will be sharing the community board link in the chat, and you can click on, as you can see I have joined this space already. So you will be getting an option to request to join. You have to click on request to join, and our team will be accepting the request within 24 hours, so do not to worry. And here you can click on join the community board, and you will be getting so many engaging activities throughout the week. Hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt regarding this, please put your queries in the Q&A box. Thanks, everyone. Over to ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Kushbu. So, do you have any questions, anyone? So if you have any questions, please post it in the Q&A box and I'm happy to answer. So now let's move on to the digital credential slide. So what is digital credential? So digital, I hope my screen is not shared. Just 1 second. Yes. I hope my screen is visible now. Team, can you please confirm?
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah, thank you. So digital credentials are industry. Thank you so much, everyone. So digital credentials are industry recognized and it also represents your achievement of skills, knowledge, and competencies. So if you do not have a Credly account, these are the steps to create one and also claim the credentials you have worked hard to earn. So now click on the link to access Credly. You just have to locate and select sign in. You'll have to select create account. So enter your details in the required mandatory fields. So like name and all the emails and all the other mandatory details. And make sure to please use the same email address for Credly as you do for your SkillsBuild account. So IBM SkillsBuild email address and this Credly email address both have to be similar, because only then you will be able to claim your digital credentials. So you have to check in your inbox for a verification email from Credly and then simply follow the steps. So these are the two credentials you will be receiving when you complete the program here. So the first credential you will be getting once after you complete the fundamentals course. And the second one, you will be receiving the second digital credentials you will be receiving as in when you finish the project. So combining the self-paced and the project, you will be receiving two digital credentials. Let me know if you have any questions in the Q&A box, and I'm happy to answer. Great. Okay, so this is the IBM SkillsBuild completion certificate. So this is the certificate. Once you finish the program with us, you will be getting this certificate, completion certificate. So you have to complete the self-paced modules of the artificial intelligence course and also the Capstone. So once you finish this, both you will be able to get the certificates. In order to claim it, you will have to go to the actions drop-down menu, click on view completion certificate, get your IBM completion certificate. Okay. If you have any questions, please post it in the Q&A box and I'm happy to answer. Now, we are going to talk about the career path in artificial intelligence. So we have, as you know, artificial intelligence is an evolving field with numerous career opportunities at different levels of expertise. So this structured career path helps you progress from foundational knowledge to advanced AI roles, right? So fundamental level. So at the foundational stage, you will be able to gain essential AI knowledge through courses such as artificial fundamentals, intelligence fundamentals, guided learning with Capstone. So this stage provides the basics of AI concepts, applications, and hands-on projects to build a strong foundation, right? So this is a fundamental course. This is a foundational level. It helps you to build a strong foundation. Now comes the beginner level. So with the fundamental knowledge, individuals can start in an entry level AI related roles, including data entry clerk, which will be handling data processing and management, AI assistant, supporting AI projects and automating basic tasks, and machine learning technician, assisting in model training and data preparation. So you would be able to get into all these roles. Now comes the intermediate level. So as skills develop, career opportunities also expand into more technical roles, such as junior NLP engineer. So working with NLP, working with natural processing applications. Then you have the AI engineer, wherein you will be designing AI models and integrating them into real world applications. And then you have machine learning engineer, developing and optimizing machine learning algorithms. And then you have the expert level. So with advanced experience and expertise, professionals can pursue high-level roles in AI research and ethics, including AI research scientist, which will be conducting in-depth AI research and developing innovative solutions. Then you have the AI researcher, which will be exploring cutting-edge AI advancement and also contributing to technological progress. Then you have the AI ethics consultant, which will be addressing the ethical concerns related to the AI development and implementation. And all your AI journey starts here. So this kind of structured learning path in collaboration with IBM SkillsBuild and SkillUp Online ensures that individuals acquire the skills needed to advance in AI careers from beginners to expert level in the field. So let me know if you have any questions and I can help you with it. Great. Amazing. So we have almost come to the end of the program now. Now it is the FAQs, which is the frequently asked questions. I will just keep this FAQs at 2 minutes in the screen. So you guys can just read through it. And if you have any questions, you could ask me in the Q&A box and I'm happy to help you with. So do not worry, you will be getting the content, this PPT as in a form of a PDF, and also you will be getting the recording of the session as well. Right now, we are providing only the fundamental level free gaily. Great. All right, now we have come to the end of the session and it's time to get the feedback of the session. So kindly click on the link. So our team members are continuously sharing the feedback link in the chat. You could please click on the feedback link and please mark your feedback. It's very important to share your thoughts and suggestions about this program. It really means a lot for us. Those who would not be able to click on the link, you could please scan this QR code and mark your feedback. Every input of yours is so much important for us. It really means a lot to us. I could see a lot of emojis in a surprise mode. What is that? Could someone put it in the chat? If you have any questions, please post it in the chat and Q&A box and I can help you with it. Great. So how many of you have filled the feedback? Great, amazing to see lovely images. Wow, thank you so much, Darren. Thank you so much, Rodney, for filling your feedback. Thank you so much. Thank you, Leslie. Thank you for filling the feedback. Thank you, Annabelle. Thank you so much, Tracy. The feedback link is provided in the chat, Michael. So please, yes, you can see the feedback link in the chat. Please click on the link and share your feedback. Thank you so much, Matthew. And thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Cecile. Thank you, Jason. Thank you so much. Thank you. So lovely and beautiful to see so many of you participating and sharing your feedbacks and thoughts. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sirma. Yes, those who have filled the feedback can leave. But before you leave, I would want to show you this as well. So thank you so much for joining today's orientation session. So for any further queries or any questions, you could always reach us out at ibmskillsbuild.emia@skillup.online. Thank you so much, and we are here to support you throughout your 4-week journey. So please stay tuned. Please stay tuned and please keep checking your inbox for further updates from us. Thank you so much for joining today's session. It was really a pleasure to have all of you here. And thank you so much for making this orientation session a successful one. Thank you so much for all your great and wonderful participation and being so engaged during the entire session. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so happy. I'm so I don't have words to say. I'm so happy to see all beautiful emojis, love from all of you. Thank you so much. So please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We will help you with any of your queries. You have any difficulty anywhere you face or stuck in the program, please do let us know and we are here to help you every step of the way. Thank you so much for joining today's orientation session. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and bye-bye.